All right, it is Sunday, May 21st, going over some stocks. This is the SPY. Let's take a look at it. Okay, we had the COVID run, the drop, and then look at the run all the way up. There we go. Came back down. You have some trend lines here. The bottom as of right now is this candle here, which is October 13th. The low was 348.11. We bounced, came back down. People thought we're testing the lows again. It didn't happen. Went back up again. This 420 line came back again, a little above, and here we are again. So you can see, look at this trend line below. That's your low line. And this 420 line is huge. Look at this going across all these candles. Here, this one above, just below, here again. We had a big candle here, or not a big candle, a small candle here on Friday. Now you're getting overbought, but you can see here in April, it stayed overbought for a while, almost the whole month, it seems. So are we going to break 420? If we do, I'm looking for 430 right here. That'll be the next move. That's August. And then, what do you got after that? Let's look. Going back this drop, you probably talk 450 to 460. Are we going to get that high? It's hard to say right now, but the market's pretty strong. You have the debt ceiling, that fiasco going on. They'll probably, approve something. They always do. You know how it is in government. All right, the weekly. Now the weekly too. You can see the drops here. See, when this was January, going down and down, and then July, the big move up. You can see here in stochastics going up. And then October, look at this. Nice move up again. Didn't cross the 50 line on January. And then what's that? March went a little bit below. Now we're very overbought here. It's at 87. And it's actually, when you start going sideways overbought, it's almost called overbought buried, where it just stays up. It's like floating. You're going along. Almost think if you're flying, you're cruising along 600 miles an hour. All right, so that's looking pretty good on the weekly. The monthly is very strong. You had a low stochastics on 1901. This was back in October 31st. And look at this move up. This dip here, that big candle, you thought we are going back down. Didn't happen. You have white over red, very strong bullish, over 50, 59.16. If you look back, this is the monthly going all the way back. That move was really bad. You can see here the 2009 crash, the .com, that stayed back and forth below 50 for a few years. After 2009, this thing went up, stochastics. And see that 50 line, all these moves from 2009 to now, they touched it, went a little below most of them, but they bounced. It's a very important line. We went way below. So we're heading straight up. It's almost like a takeoff of airplane. Unless something happens in the market right now where, something, a candle happens or something bad, and this sort of reverses right here, we'll see. Because it's looking like a V recovery here. Look at this here. And now you start to go up and very slowly. We'll see if this makes sense that way. Quarterly chart, going back, you can see quarterly is every like 3 months. 2003, 2009. Look at this. This wasn't even close. This got a low on here. Stochastics, what was it at right here? 58.85. So these were really bad on the quarterly. This isn't even close right here. But this is lower than 2020. So we could be getting in this period where we make a move here, up, then it goes down below again. What's a zigzag? It's looking like it's turning into. We'll see if that happens though. You have 1, 2, 3 red candles, 3 green. You're crossing up. You had 3 strong green candles here. So you can see the high line too, 2000. I put a few low lines in here from COVID, a little bit higher. We didn't reach that. I say we're somewhere in the middle here. So middle ground. So would look for, the break of 420. If we can break this again, we'll try again. If we do fall back, if something, the market pulls back or people take profits in the market, all these hedge funds, money managers, a lot of stuff's algo driven. If this goes back, pretty far, you would look for about 395 line, somewhere in that range, to touch that again. And it could do this, and then eventually we go up. It's just playing very bullish right now. I don't see many bearish scenarios, meaning where we get a huge drop, but that could change. Something could happen. So, like anything, a lot of stuff, weird stuff's happening in the market. So we'll see on this. but that's where we stand right now. Watch for the break of 420. And even closer, watch for this 405 right here. Them candles touched back in May, early May. We'll see. All right, so that's it for the SPY. Please subscribe to Mike Came in Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. I appreciate the support. Mike Came in Trades on TikTok. Any links below if you want to add on social media, and any comments below, any stocks, what you think is going to happen with the SPY, anything like that. It's all good. That's it. Peace.